What it do, man? It's your player partner G-Man back with another bang, man. I hope you guys are doing all right. I hope you guys are doing okay and setting new goals and getting shit done, man. My boy's finally over here. You know, every time one of my homies get a good car, they gotta pull up on G, you know what I'm saying, so I can do a review on it. This nigga been lying, talking about he's gonna pull up on me, but you know what I'm saying, this my brother, be busy. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Flash, what's good, my brother?
Pull it up, my boy.
You already know, you already know.
Man,
Tell them where they can find you, man, if you gotta look at Instagram if you want them to.
Bro, Rude Boy Motors, another broken X.
Yeah.
Head chef.
Yeah,
boy,
man.
I'm proud of you, God.
Hell yeah, but check this out, my bro.
I'm proud of you, God.
Yo, the motor's inside the car already, bro.
Bro, this?
Yeah, remember it was on the stand?
Yeah, kill it, bro.
Bro, what you think?
Yo, bro, you're fully blood clot body on you. Dog, I kill this shit, bro.
You fuck with it?
Man, bro, color everything. I have to take off my shades, bro. Like, dog, this shit nasty, bro.
Yeah, with the
with the yellow right here.
I just cut him too, nigga.
Bro, I'm proud of you, bro.
Yeah.
Like, it give me goosebumps all over my body, God. Man, look out for the man. Blood click carry for them, bro. Look up professional. Bro, G-Man, clean up fuck when you touch the road, man. Oh, fuck now.
You fuck with the wing? What's up with the wing?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. You already know.
Man, hold up.
Yeah, but my nigga car more sauced up than mine, man. We about to go do a little review on my nigga shit. He riding too clean, man. You know what I'm saying? Nigga got the Audi straight from Jamaica, you heard? Yeah, boy. Yeah, bro, I've been, boy. Working.
I can't wait to see it on the road, bro.
Nigga, then
wrap this stuff?
Nah, this is gonna be
this wrap?
Yeah, this is I wrapped the bumper. This is a wrap. Okay. But you know, this is like little shit that's on the bumper where I didn't really sand it right. So it shows through the wrap. That's why when you do wrap, you gotta really like
finesse it.
Yeah, but the grill is gonna be clear. You're gonna be able to see these, and it's gonna be carbon.
You know what you need for those?
It's gonna be carbon around the thing.
You need to take off butter out there.
Yeah, eventually.
Yep.
But
no, go on ride.
Right now it's good, nigga.
Yeah,
to be my first rap, nigga.
Boy, you kill this shit.
Come on, man.
Boy. Me think I pay somebody for doing this.
Nah, nigga, bro, me do every bumper clot thing.
Man, hold up. Boy. But I like a car fresh G, man.
Yeah, you fuck with it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, let's go see your shit though, man.
Man.
Let's go see your shit, man.
When I call it X4.
Yeah. Man, you know what's crazy, man? I always speak about law of attraction, speaking shit into existence. My nigga, since I met my nigga 15 years ago, this nigga been talking about he gonna get an Audi, man. You know what I'm saying? My nigga, fully bad.
Fully up.
Fully.
Peanut butter and jelly, man, yo.
Man, this bitch is nasty, bro.
Clean that motherfucker, boy.
Yeah, man, yo, that screen is serious, my brother. Yeah, man.
You're right like a thing, man. I set up everything and I'm right now for you, man, yo. My fully charged up right now. System all over, you feel me?
The inside of this bitch is nasty, bro. Bro, look at that screen, nigga.
Boy.
Yeah, but we can't get copyrighted, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You play like music, non-music, or copyright your boy.
Yeah. They copy card. Everybody want their money, man.
Your boy won't get paid, you know what I'm saying?
Everybody want their money, man. So even the music I play can take out that, you feel me?
Yeah, straight up.
Yeah.
Put my own music. Damn, nigga. Hey, you need the stars on this bitch, boy.
Yeah, man, I do it everything to him, man.
You ever see my stars, huh? In person, huh?
Let me not see that. Bro, you see when we doing that car, bro?
Yeah.
I get fucked up.
Yeah. This bitch is nasty, bro. I'm happy for you, bro.
Yeah. Get him
Hey, yo.
Boy, pull it up, boy. I can't believe it.
Man.
Like, this shit come show Jim.
Just wait, tough crackers, them bodies are cupcake, and no bus clappers, a broke foot, a down tape, girl love fuckers.
Serious, like judgment. Out of line. And people like driving the window up, nigga. Should come here a while, man.
Yeah, man.
Get more power out of the engine and see, you feel me? The engine a lot on fire, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm
man.
built for that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, the proper. I'm gonna tune my shit soon, boy.
Hey,
Yo, I'm gonna be throwing flames out the exhaust and everything, my boy.
Bro, I say your shit clean up. You know what? We're gonna see an Audi tech the other day, right?
Yeah.
And the Audi tech tell me say this one wanna fast like the Aria. I'm like, get the fuck
real?
out of here. Nigga say, yo, dog, the chip, we can't chip this here right now. I don't want to chip it, I don't want to put engine.
up. Ooh. Yeah, my boy driver, man. My boy driver. Hey, yeah, this bitch get up. This bitch get up. Ooh. That all-wheel drive, boy. Hey, yo. My nigga trying to kill me. Bro. Yeah, this bitch get up, my bro.
They have to make a feel.
Yeah. This bitch get up, man. Yeah, relax, nigga. This bitch get up. That nigga trying to kill me, nigga. Damn, boy, just regular review this.
Whatever I know, I say you're afraid of speed, bro. You got it, dog. Yeah, nigga.
Oh, I
that nigga, bro.
I like doing it when I'm driving, though,
Yeah,
nigga.
nigga, come on, bro.
Yeah, look at that.
Bro, I'm here drive behind each other, nigga.
Yeah.
Come on, nigga. That shit clean up, fuck.
Nah, this bitch get up, bro. Smooth, too. For real? You don't even feel it.
Dog, I feel comparing to some car right there.
Yeah, it's smooth.
You test a lot of shit, bro.
The transition is smooth, bro.
You test one, how I feel.
It don't feel like this.
Eh? This bitch gone.
Yeah, it don't feel like this.
You know, so nigga on the car, I can tell you, there's a lot of shit in that car. See, that car is different, nigga. Sure. Like, everything in that car is different. Alright? More I'll call you, alright?
Yeah.
Watch this shit.
See this shit?
Watch that.
Yeah.
Watch it. Pull up on it. Boom. Everything off like on right.
Right there on the
Yeah.
little thing.
On the little box. You can do like this, like this. Hey. More can anti. Boom. Everything pop up like this. Like this shit.
You just gotta write the A.
Yeah, bro. Like y'all drive. Y'all drive it already on the
You just gotta write the name of the Yeah, this bitch get up, bro.
I need that sports, bro. I need to put
I love that shit right there.
Listen, bro. I need to put in like this. Look up.
Oh, you ain't even doing on sport?
No, I need to do them type of move.
Bro, put that bitch
regular
on sport, nigga.
Regular. If you keep, bro, me say if you keep, if you lift up out of here, bro. Bro, me say me put. Look, G-man, me I tell you this, you never believe me. Me keep up with the Aspen, man. Me keep up with that scat hawk.
Nah,
we had do 280, bro. I don't know if I aerodynamics make my car feel like it I do 200, bro.
Yeah.
That bitch just that. Nigga couldn't left me on the freeway.
Nah, hell no.
In there in front of me, but not lie.
This right here's a freeway car, bro.
Bro, this shit fast as fuck, nigga. I need more life. So proud of this, bro.
So right now when you hit it, you only hit it on regular.
Look, regular. I need my drive it. Look,
for right now
gas
it's on
pedal.
sport.
Just sports, just regular foot sports. I need my use the pedal shift them for nothing, bro. That been charge up. That charge the fuck up on you, bro. I don't know where that chuck like.
Damn. I feel like this. Yeah, this better get up, Flash. Oh, shit. Bro, you felt that? You felt that shit?
A bit jump like that.
Like, you was like,
hey, G-man,
like we traveled through time right quick.
Hey, listen what we don't understand about that car, right? Me adapt to this motherfucker.
Yeah, you already know how to
take care of him, and the tire they new, bro.
Yeah,
you know, like some niggas that in them car afraid of tire.
Yeah.
Me not afraid that because I tire them,
You
bro.
already know how to drive it.
Boy.
The only thing I see is kind of like the suspension.
Huh?
Like if you get like aftermarket suspension and more stiffer, this
You know,
will be.
you know what crazy? Me just changed them, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
But the
just-
stock, right?
Yeah. Audi just give me them, yeah, stock.
Yeah, the stock. So you can't even adjust them, lower them a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
This car lowered a little bit.
No, you can't adjust.
Oh,
But
you can drop them?
You can't drop, but then like me have a warranty on the way, everything wear out. The engine mount, the transmission mount, everything wear
They
out.
switched it all up.
And then put in everything for me. That's why it's so steady. Like this is like a brand.
No,
new car.
it feels steady, bro. But you know what I'm talking about, right? Like ain't nothing like
drop
aftermarket
it.
drop suspension, bro.
Yeah,
You
me
know
drop
what
it, bro.
I'm saying? Yeah, it's gonna be lethal, bro.
The nigga tell me say only thing I have to do I cut the spring them for me. Because suspension
that's what I did on mine.
And he says suspension pan. Me have a Audi Tech. A Jamaican nigga, old school nigga, bro. Me go to like leave old school. In and about 40. So you know fully bad, fully charged up like cars.
Yeah, that boy know what's good.
Bro, man have one like this.
I got a lot of Audis in Jamaica, huh, nigga?
What?
Yeah, that's what y'all do out there.
We have them, but like niggas who have them have money, bro.
Yeah.
Like anybody else see one of them fully charged up, bro.
Like this over there.
Nigga rich. Fuck, you know, hey. Bro, me have this at Jamaica?
Yeah.
Can't chat to me,
You
bro.
boys cartel son.
Bro.
For real.
Can't tell son I want me my friend, nigga.
Gully God.
Boy, I want me my friend.
Hey yo, this bitch is nasty though, my brother. Yeah, man.
Oh,